So far, no submissions have come to me. But as you know, present leader of opposition is only one member in the house. So this office may have to issue a denotification order very soon, unless he submits his resignation first. That's the first thing. After that, as I told you earlier, so far no submissions have come from any of the parties from the opposition. So it gives me time to think and examine my future course of action. But I know that to have an opposition, you need to have at least 10% of the strength of the total house. As of now, none of the parties in the in the opposition bench has that requisite number. So it is not necessary for me to take a quick decision on it. I can still examine, take my time. Even the parliament has, in the last terms, parliament has also not had an opposition leader.